What is a motorcycle tour of Ireland? Have you ever imagined cruising through the stunning scenery of Ireland on a motorcycle? A motorcycle tour of Ireland is an adventure that combines the thrill of riding with the beauty of diverse landscapes. These tours typically cover a wide range of scenic routes, including the famous Wild Atlantic Way, the Ring of Kerry, and the Dingle Peninsula. Riders can enjoy rugged coastlines, historic sites, and vibrant culture that Ireland has to offer. One of the key features of motorcycle tours in Ireland is the scenic routes. For instance, the Wild Atlantic Way stretches along the west coast, offering breathtaking views of cliffs shaped by powerful waves and remote mountain roads. The Ring of Kerry is another highlight, known for its stunning coastal scenery and charming villages. Each turn reveals new vistas that will leave you in awe. Cultural experiences are also a big part of these tours. Riders can visit historic sites such as castles, haunted houses, and ancient monasteries. Many tours include stops at traditional pubs where live Irish music is often played, allowing riders to immerse themselves in the local culture. Enjoying a pint of Guinness while listening to a local band is an experience you won't want to miss. Ireland's variety of landscapes adds to the unique riding experience. From rugged coastlines to rolling hills and peat bogs, there is so much to see. National parks and scenic bays like Dingle Bay offer stunning views and opportunities to explore Ireland's natural beauty. Each stop along the way provides a chance to take in the fresh air and appreciate the surroundings. Practical considerations make these tours even more appealing. Many are guided, meaning riders benefit from local knowledge and logistical support. This includes accommodation, meal planning, and advice on the best roads to take. Riders can choose from a variety of tour lengths, ranging from short weekend trips to longer, more extensive journeys. For those traveling in Ireland, a motorcycle tour offers a unique way to experience the country's beauty and culture. It allows riders to cover a lot of ground while enjoying the freedom of the open road. Whether you are interested in history, nature, or simply the thrill of riding, Ireland's scenic routes and welcoming atmosphere make it an ideal destination for motorcycle enthusiasts. Incorporating this mode of travel into your Irish adventure can add a thrilling dimension to your trip, allowing you to discover hidden gems and experience local culture in a more immersive way.